That's it. Right, think the face, alright?
Corey's funny.
Oh,
Corey, the fan man.
run off. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I. Sorry. Anyway.
Come on, you're lucky. You've got the fan on you.
Oh, woman. You got the fan?
What's that on?
I got phone. Close up to the face, yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh. Sexy! Come on, smile! Ooh.
Corey's got the fan. Focus. There you go.
What are we doing?
Okay, the whole body thing now, again. I don't need to sit on the chair with the material.
Nah.
But you'd rather try to make yourself look tall. Huh? No, because you don't want to sit down.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, macho!
Corey, what's your favorite food? This is mine.
Oh my god, Corey's going to be involved in photos now.
Oh, shut up. 3, 2, 1. What? Pose. How about try to do like Mr. and Mrs. Smith kind of thing? Back to back.
The guns?
Yeah. Which ones?
Sit back to back.
Yeah, back to back.
Sorry.
Yep.
Okay, you wear this one now.
Corey's putting the shirt on.
So, do like a back to back kind of thing, but then aim your gun at the camera. Right? Too long. Too long, but hey, at least you make it look nice.
How do I sit?
No, now cross your arm over like you were doing it before. No, other arm.
Huh?
Go over like that. With the gun.
What?
And lift your other arm up. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Like a spunk. Okay, up. Dude, just kind of create a. Just give us like a smiley face kind of look.
Are you talking to Corey?
Both of you. Look at you just stay there, like, look at the camera. Come on, it's like a laugh. Makes people laugh. What else do you want us to do?
Corey's enough, you can go ahead. I want to see the food. You will bluff.
Hang on, let's do a proper introduction thing. Not
What should I say?
just like how you did last time on your other one with your.
But I keep doing bloopers because I keep.
Photography.
That's why we did it a couple of times, yeah.
Is anyone going to help me here?
New. Kigo.
What?
Hey, suicide. You're going to suicide here, right there.
Whoa. Jeez. Jeez, woman.
Where?
I'll run it down my arm. So that I can take a picture of your arm.
Yeah.
I'll cut out your arm and then.
Stop moving!
That's what we meant to do.
Are you recording? Hi.
Okay.